Hey friends, buying and collecting luxury watches is a premium hobby. And in this video, we are going to create an e-commerce store for selling premium watches, luxury watches. And yes, if you are willing to create any such website, this video can be helpful. And we are going to use a very dedicated WordPress theme for this purpose. And the theme is called Orologio, and it is a dedicated theme, as I said, for luxury watch store. And I'm happy to record this video since it is a new theme, and I am covering this theme on this channel. And the theme is available at themeforest.net through the video description link. But yes, you have to watch this complete video before you take your buying decision. Let us start creating a demo website using Orologio WordPress theme that is going to give us a online store for luxury watches. Here is my default WordPress installation, and it is using 2025 default WordPress theme. The website is looking like this with a default theme, and I am using this cPanel based hosting plan as always. You can also avail the same through the video description link at WP Themes website. Okay, so what is our target website? This is our target website. This is good, clear, and to the point and look, and it is presenting the content in a luxury way. So luxurious watches, Mason watches, services. So I can show you the store listings. So this is the product listing page, and if we talk about a particular product, this is, I think, date, and so all these presentation of content is in a very premium style. So yes, it is like this. So I'm randomly clicking just to check the details. Yes, so this is one of the product listing, the movement, quads, case size. So this is some additional text that has been added with the theme, water resistance, and so this is necessary for selling watches on the line. So this theme can be used even for selling simple watches, no doubt. But yes, the dedicated target is the luxury watches, right? So I have the theme pack, and in the theme pack, I got this installable theme file, and it is 2.1 MB in size. Chat theme also included, the documentation, the changelog, and the licensing part is also here. So we are going to use this orologio.zip file for our installation purpose. Theme installation is a simple activity, and you don't need any technical assistant for doing all these things. Yes, you can simply start the installation in appearance section, and you can simply install the WordPress core using WordPress Manager by Softaculous that is available on cPanel based hosting plans. Even you can go for Edge panel based hosting plans. So all is available at WP Themes website, as I said. Right. So here we can add a new theme on the appearance section. We can upload the theme, choose the installable theme file only, that is orologio.zip. Simply select, click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds in installing the theme depending upon your host quality, but yes, it is a very lightweight theme, so it is going to work very fast. Theme got installed successfully within seconds, and we can check the details further. This is version 1 since it is a new theme, so I'm using very first version. Yes, it is always recommended to use updated and newest version of theme that you can only avail at themeforest.net through the video description link. Yes, it is recommended to follow the video description link so that you may reach the correct theme and we may earn some bucks because the link is an affiliate link. Okay, and the cost is $79. And in this $79, you are going to get quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, and 6 months support from the theme developer itself. So the theme developer are Disgogo. And yes, they are elite author at themeforest.net. You can check rest of the details through the link. I'm going to add all the relevant links that you may need. But yes, we will proceed for activating the theme, and here is the activate button. We can simply click on this, and upon activation, we are here at welcome page of Orologio. Beautifully crafted WordPress theme, ready to take your watches to next level. Okay, that is great. But yes, we are going to install the plugins that is listed here. And which are the plugins? Elementor is the website builder that has been used. OK Themes is a toolkit. Okay, so this is new for me. So let us see how it works. Contact Form 7 as usual for creating contact form. This is for email subscription, MailChimp. One click for demo import for importing the content, and WooCommerce is of course here. We are after all going to create an e-commerce website. 6 plugin, all required. Okay, only 2 required, rest are recommended, but yes, in the very first installation, it is recommended to install all the plugins that may bring all great features to your website. Right, so the plugins are being installed, and as I said, you don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. But just in case if you need any support, don't worry. We are here just a click away. You can start a direct chat with a IC mentor who is going to help you in every manner in creating and completing your WordPress website. So this is free for you when you are buying the theme through the video description link. And all plugins have been installed successfully. Meanwhile, you can see all green marks. And now we can come back to the plugin installer screen. All are here, and I am going to select all again. This time I'll select activate, click on apply. This will activate all the installed plugins. So all plugins have been installed in the version that is required, and all great. All right, so we can come back to the dashboard just to check the details, whether we need any further action regarding the theme or plugin installation. Yes, it is here, and I can see there are some new navigations, theme options and all. Template builder, but yes, we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugin sets. And next we can proceed for demo content import to make a target website like this. Okay, so this is the target website, right? So the next step is of course importing the demo content. That you can, the link can be found under appearance menu, import demo data, and next is the import demo data button. You can simply click this, continue and import, and now the demo import process is begin. So it is a time taking process. It may take even 5-10 minutes depending upon your host and internet speed, but yes, you have to show your due patience without hitting the back button or refreshing the page. So just to check whether it is going fine, you can open the media library in another tab, and if you are getting images here like I'm receiving, so it means the demo import process is going fine, and we just need to wait until we are getting any message on this screen. And after around 2 minutes, I got this message, import complete, and only 2 images somehow missed, but it does not matter. Your import completed, but some things may not have imported properly. It does not matter, as I say. What I can check, I can replace this page just to check the count of media items that we have received. Okay. So this is okay. So we have received some video elements as well, and total 87 items have been supplied in the demo, right? And if we check about the website, now I'm closing this and going to refresh this page. Let us see in our new website. Okay, so this is great, and it loaded in a super fast speed. And yes, I got this complete stops all elements, and you can check the speed. Yes, the store is here, and even we can make our store live just by clicking on this Great. So coming back to the site again, just to check promptly. So all features are here, and it is working good. My account section, the store, the product listing, the menu. This is Hamburger menu. In fact, this is really great. And I'm clicking randomly just to check the inner pages. Yes, it is really great. And all the elements, all the pages had been imported successfully without any error or trouble. So as you seen, we created this demo website very easily without any trouble. Okay, all right. So we are here at the backend again, and now I'm going to show you how easily you can really customize your website to make a launch. So let us see what are the new navigations available here. First of all, I would like to show you the theme options. That is the most basic setting that you can do for your website. And in the general setting, we have the site smooth scroll back on the top, or the content layout option. And similarly, we have header options in which, okay, so if we are clicking on header and it is not opening up, just click on the link and refresh the page, it will be loaded. So like if I am willing to open the layout, I click the layout and just refresh it. Check the URLs, it should be layout if it is you are willing to open the logo, it should be logo, and just refresh it. It happens sometimes, so it is not an error, and I'll definitely arrange a fix for this also. Okay, right. So we have the logo, styling, mobile, footer options, and all those basic settings that you need for basic customization of your website. Next, I can see the template builder is here. And so in the template builder, I can see the footer and header options had been used, and you can edit your website header and footer and menu overlay using the Elementor page builder. Like if you are editing the header option, you can go with the edit with Elementor for editing the header part basically. So editing with Elementor is very easy, and I believe you can do all this at your own without any trouble. You just need to click on the respective area and start editing. Like we are editing header here, so you can edit the hamburger menu. Like this is menu overlay which had been used. Similarly, you can edit the logo part events, like text logo can be here and all. And similarly, the my account or the cart icon can be edited. So whatever is available in the header part, you can edit easily here, right? So all settings that you can do about header and footer can be found under the template builder. Next, I can see what is new in terms of navigation. Everything is common as in WordPress. Since we are creating an e-commerce website, so all products are going to be listed on the product section of WooCommerce. So you have to upload your own product, of course, and by default, by in the demo, 9 products had been listed. So you can take reference how it had been listed, and you can also follow the same pattern. And in the pattern, you can see this is very simple. However, it is looking like a uh, disturbed thing. Like why it is looking like this? So it Elementor is not enabled here in the product section. So how we can do this? So just go to the Elementor. Okay, so I'm just finding options. Okay, so this is Elementor, the setting option, and the Elementors. Just enable the products here, and now the products can be edited using Elementor. So I'll take you back again to our products, and we are editing, like suppose we are editing now. Edit with Elementor option is here, and now it will be easy and can be edited easily using Elementor option. So it is very simple to go, and you can do all these things as I said. So you can upload your product image, product uh, rates, and even variations if there is any variation. So you can simply follow the pattern. However, if you want to edit the Elementor using, the product using the basic editor, so this is the option where you can put all the details. So like what have been used. Next, I can see nothing is new, all very common. So most of the settings have been done under the theme options. And for editing the main front end content, what is visible on the page, you can simply load the page that you want to edit and simply click or hover on the area where you want to jump. And for editing the page content, click on edit with Elementor, and Elementor page loader will be loaded for editing the content. Simply go to the respective area, or you can even use the navigations, like uh, directly jump to the section with this navigation option. And uh, just keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of the image and same length of text content what has been used in the demo, so that you will maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest things are going to be fine. Like for this area, it is coming from the WooCommerce section, so just click on the pencil icon, and you can set how many products you want to show here. The grid layout is here, the layout, and the rest section, and add to cart option is here, and the query you can change, like what you want to show, like product category, or the uh, you can add the product category, product icon, even the product selected products and all. So it is all filtration, and what you want to show, it is simply available here. It is all under control, and I believe we can make a good website using this theme, Orologio, and it is theme for luxury watches store, and it is available just for $79. And all the advantage of $79 I have already explained. So you are going to get all this, the theme support and the future updates, and we are also going to support you additionally in completing your website. You can start making a website using this. But yes, this is not the only theme that you can choose. You have option to choose and compare themes on this channel and choose the best element, choose the best part that you want to use for your website. And in case if you have any query, please write in the comment of this video, or you can directly get in touch with us on a live chat. It is all for you. Just start creating your dream website and you'll be able to create all the things. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for you. And in this video, we created this wonderful demo website. Thank you.